We'll try this one, new one, no eggs, no dairy, sweet perfection. What's the calories? 180, sugar 8 grams, and coffee while I watch Let's Catching videos. Just arrived from Costco and I'm trying to, since I put my aquarium here, it's been like a pain to try to do many things. So I have this, the heater that I got is not good. It's more than 30 minutes, it's still in 76, kind of trying to go to 78 until I'm not in 80 at least, or 78 very clear. I cannot put any fish, so I'm not going to get fish there. I just charged my laptop and I'm trying to edit some videos, and now I will try to do this. So these are stickers that I use. I ran out practically to do my, to set where I'm posting the videos. That was my best way to organize myself. You know what, I'm trying to then be like a pain in the butt, to be honest, setting my videos every other day since this date. But I need to do some of those, and fish, I run out of the fish ones that I do for myself. So let's do, let's plug this one. So many things, so many things. And this belongs to here, in and is in. Then this one, I'm trying to make a space for everything here. For everything. Go in. Do I have paper? I need paper. Have my paper here. One will be enough. Yeah. It goes upside down. And extend. And how many you want? Let's make these. Let's see what happened with 30. Nope, that's 6. 30. I will need 2 pages. Let's go for 25. Still need 2 pages. Let's go for 20. Okay, wait. 21. I'm trying to go to the limit. 22. Oh, do you think that we can 23? Let's see. 23. Wow. I think I have wanted maybe 24. Yes, that's the limit. What? Let's make it continue. Send to printer. Ooh, I have to double check that I put on paper, and I don't want the bleed through. Print and print. Hi, you came here to take a little more of my space. Somebody was telling me, one of the subscribers, that it's amazing how much I can do in this little room. It is a small room. Let me show you. Very, very small. There is Frosty. We have some of my paint stuff there. A new keyboard that I haven't installed, but I'm still waiting on that. I have some of my paints there. There is my computer desk. This is my telescope. That corner is like where I have right now the laptop, since I have in this one my aquarium. This is something that I have to tackle because I have paint stuff, I have printing stuff, I have my backpack, and I have that little thing there. Can you see it? I have all the Really, every time that I'm doing a video you have to talk. So I have my fish stuff and everything there, and I have another my creek. What do you have to say? What is your problem? Yeah, attention. That's what he's looking for. He's looking for attention. So, and these are the colors that kind of picked yesterday. I haven't decided. What? You want to pick a color? You want to pick a color? That's what you're saying? What color you like? Oh, thank you. Your opinion is important. Anyway, we will know. It's not like a priority right now. It's for my pantry. And I need a color like maybe something like this. My husband said maybe something like this. I don't know. We will see. Print. This one is ready. Time to put on one of the mats. I have the mat here. Let's do this. And it's ready. So get out of there. We can close this. And it's finished here. I'm showing you all the parts. I know that it's maybe not important, but it's cool. And I will take off this from here. It's just to remove. It's just remove this. I made mistakes before when I don't set my cut machine in paper and I put like cardboard and then everything goes through. Can you imagine how fun it is to try to remove the paper from the mat? It's not funny. So, come on, almost there. Since I got a big piece of the paper, I will cut them. But let me put the plastic here first. I don't want anything getting a stick on my mats. I can use them now that I do stickers just for myself. Let's cut this. I came to do my laundry, but I'm not happy doing my laundry today. Okay. So let's get what I need to get really quick. I got the dishwasher soap. I have my guardian here. I mean Frosty. Right? Are you protecting mommy? Are you protecting mommy? I hope you are. If you see something moving, attack. I mean something small. I will wash my little bag. Maybe I should put on this one just for safety. I don't want this getting damaged. This is my lunch bag. It needs a cleaning, so that these delicate things. This is not delicate. For my delicate stuff, let's go closer. Okay, this is the delicate, and I'm using my laundry nuggets for this. I don't put here, I put here because it dissolves really quick with the water. Then I put Downy. I love this one, it smells fresh. And I put a little of this. It's a softener. To make more nice, I put the Fresh Odor Defense. Remember, it's a lot of this is work clothes, and sometimes I kind of work out while I'm working, so I want odor defense. I like to put one of the color catchers because I put things of different colors, so this will protect them. Okay, and then I have my wallet. This is to look forever longer new. Helps a lot with the colors. And I use the dark one because I have more darks. I should be using also like maybe the white because it's for all the colors. I don't know. This is how I do. And then I will put on Delicate for this part. Turn the laundry and I go to the option of Delicate, but I go to just cold, not up cold, low, light, and I put also the softener and let it think. That's the things I love to take care. So, laundry. Okay, blanket is drying. This one is working. I have some of the towels that I got, the dishwasher. I mean, yes, my dog, and all this is the ones that I need to finish. Let's go up. Thank you, my bodyguard. My tools. Let's see how we will fix these tomatoes. It's a lot to fix. Let's do it. So much smoke. The smoke is really bad right now. But I got my tomatoes and I got my dog crying baby. Let's go. I'm snacking going here. Tomatoes, onion, avocado, rosemary olive oil crackers, and colocedium. And let's watch videos.